Thanks for visiting us at the Calm Water Pools video section of our website. Here at location, we're already undergoing the excavation for the pool that's coming in. You see piles of number 8 stone there, and you see a lot of dirt around. Yes, it was a beautiful green grass backyard. This is a construction project. You're building a house. Basically, you're building a foundation. You're excavating the soil, and then you're building up from there. So there is going to be some disruption in your yard with soil, with stone, tire tracks. Everything can and will and is put back together again, but I like to point that out, that there is some destruction. Right here, as you can see, they've leveled out a nice foundation for the pool shell, which should be coming any minute now. There it is, and it's always exciting to me to see this pool shell coming down the road. The homeowners are always smiling from ear to ear when they see their pool shell coming down the road with the escorts. Here they're pulling it off the flatbed, little mosaic inlaid, and it'll be ready to put into the hole and then filled with water, backfilled, and set up for concrete. Thanks once again for visiting Calm Water Pools website. And if you have any questions, feel free to call. Thank you very much.